pretty good. All right, what's going on, everybody? Day 6 today. We have absolutely zero plans besides go to Black Hills Harley, check out what they got on the dealer floor, buy some t-shirts, buy some merch, and that's pretty much it. Now we're all the way 5 minutes down the road to Black Hills Harley. I didn't even come here last year somehow, but this time me and Corey are making sure it's one of our stops. There is a load of bikes here. This looks like homecoming in Milwaukee for us, and the lot's not even full. Like, this is crazy. I cannot believe how many bikes are here just to walk around, look at stuff and whatnot. I definitely want to stop at the Legends booth for sure, just to see what they got or whatever. I gotta buy some rain pants because mine got shredded. Look at this. Full forged carbon. The entire bike. Literally every single piece of it. Gas tank, side covers, bags, custom swing arm, everything. Even the VTI cover. All black chrome ARP bolts. That's crazy. So I was just talking to one of the guys who reps at Legends, and I was talking about how my bike feels and whatnot, and he's going to get it set up for me and adjust the preload and adjust all my stuff for me to be able to make sure I got it dialed in, because for me it's not exactly what I like. It's a little too soft. Said I could bring it up and he'll get it adjusted. Alright, well that was pretty sick. So my preload was super out and he was able to adjust it for me, and honestly I didn't even realize that I could just spin them and adjust them. I always knew that they were adjustable, but I could never figure out how, and I just always forgot about it, never realized or remembered to ever look it up and be able to research it. But so he adjusted it way up, feels way better, it doesn't sag as much as it did, and he's saying that the best thing I should do is just get new springs for it and upgrade the stiffness of the spring itself.
Appreciate it.
See, usually I don't like the blonde like wheels or motors.
I know. This is actually powder coated. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah,
it looks way cleaner than a blonde.
Yeah, we tried to keep it where it still had that stock feel and everything, but yeah, so the powder coated, and we kept, you know, the original wheels and everything, but, you know, put an S&S and made into it. So, yeah, we really, this was a fun one to build. So this is his baby, this is his 86 Liberty, so, and we've got the 92 one down there that we just finished up right before rally. So yeah, it was phenomenal. So he loves riding these. They just are so slick. Yeah.
These wheels are really cool. It's like a star, but it's got like a cross pattern in it.
Yeah.
That red is sick. One after another, all lowriders for sale. What about the green? There's your green.
Don't tell your dad he can't do it now.
Nope. I've never do this. It's crazy. So many in a row.
Right?
Kind of crazy how much color is in here now compared to what it used to be like a couple of years ago where everybody wanted a black bike. There's so much color. Coming to Sturgis, you gotta hit the Black Hills Harley because they got everything. They got everything, and tons of shirts, tons of bikes. Dudes from Legend was able to help me out and set my preload up on my bike, so that was really nice. But Corey and I are gonna get out of here and meet up with my buddy Randy, and then we're gonna go ride spearfish, I think, again. Probably get some food as well. Left the dealer, brought all our stuff back. There's no way we can fit all that stuff, so we're probably gonna go to the post office and ship it on Friday or something like that, so that way when we get home, it's there. But we're gonna meet up with my buddy Randy, like you've seen the last few days. Meet up with Randy, go for a ride, go to spearfish again, because that's just a blast. We may or may not see some rain. I don't know. We're gonna go get some food too, because it's about lunchtime, and I ate at like 9. Change of plans. We're not going to ride spearfish. We're going to go out back to the crossroads and see if they're doing any stunt shows or doing some, I think, Concrete Cowboys and Sideways Boys, something like that. Somebody's out there. We're going to go check that out. we're here. Apparently they stopped doing it now. Maybe something will happen later, possibly. Walk around, look at bikes, do stuff.
Brisket. They just pulled fresh brisket off. We got pulled pork.
Oh yeah. He gave me a fresh slice of brisket.
That looks way better than the shit we got at Midwest Chop Fest.
How's that?
That's good.
He was the draw to the rock.
Yeah, exactly.
That is wicked. Sweet. That is super cool. Let's see what else we got. That thing is huge. Actually, even cooler. That American flag is massive, but that mountain is even more massive. It's such a crazy sight out here. Like, just so pretty, so much views, so much. This has been just a great time, and I still got 2 more days. This is nice. This is nice.
Yeah, he can get up there.
Super clean. This is like, I feel like this is like very classic, like.
Take a 6-speed.
Yep. That's neat.
Did you see who's in her yet?
At a stunt show that's going to happen. We didn't know if we were going to make it in or what because it's expensive, but we kind of got parked front line. All right, we're trying to figure out where we're supposed to go to be able to watch. Trying to figure it out. super dope. I'm glad Randy let me rip his Sportster around and just around with it, but I kind of figured out I just gotta throw my weight way more forward to be able to even do something. Otherwise, it just doesn't want to. It just pushes that tire and it starts to push again. You just lean more forward.
Free sample of beef jerky today, sir?
I'm all right, thank you.
Sure, they're free.
Dude, I'm full.
Well, the best part about jerky, it comes in packs at you when you are hungry.
I can just take it?
No. You gotta try the sample. And then maybe
try a little bit.
Maybe I'll give you a deal on it. I don't know. We'll see.
That stranger just told me some beef jerky. It was pretty good. Oh, they're pearl white. That is gorgeous.
Look at that shit.
That's beautiful. You got the pineapple cut too. That's kind of sick. See, you don't like the lowers at all? Like it doesn't fit, nothing? I just think it looks unique, I guess.
Yeah, I'm not.
Alright, I'm gonna end this shit here. This was like day 6 of Sturgis. So, my little last slice pizza. It's starting to rain on us. Trying to beat the rain and get home. I don't have any rain pants anymore, so yeah, my bike's already getting wet. But anyways, time to get out of here. Hope you enjoyed this one.